How to record your iPhone screen. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you record your iPhone screen. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the control center on your iPhone. So for that you'll have to just swipe down from your home screen. Alright, so after you open the control center, you will be able to find this recording option here. So simply from here you can record by turning this on, although you can also turn on the microphone from here. So after you turn this on, you'll be able to easily record your screen. So if you are not able to find the recording option here, you'll have to just add on the control center. So for that you'll have to just tap and hold on it. Okay, so from here tap on add a control, and now from here you can easily search in the source field for screen recording. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just tap on the screen recording, and from there you can easily add that screen recording option in the control center. So after you add on that, you'll be able to find the screen recording option, and now after then you can easily record your screen from that. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.